Peace, everyone. I'm Tanisha, the host of Self Love Sanctuary, where I empower women to rise above burnout with self love and play. If you are into self discovery, self love, wellness, having fun, and mental health, then this is the podcast for you. Welcome. What's going on, family? Welcome back to another episode. I have to say, today might be my favorite episode because we're going to explore how nature itself can be your ally in overcoming burnout, specifically through the use of herbs. And today we're going to be talking about three that I love to use, incorporate in my everyday use. So if you're constantly feeling tired, anxious, or emotionally drained, stay tuned because these herbs might just be the support system you didn't know you needed. But first, let's dive into why herbs can be so powerful for burnout. Because as we know by now, burnout is not just a mental or emotional issue. It's also deeply connected to physical stressors in the body. And the right herbs can help calm the nervous system, balance hormones, and support your overall wellness. Unlike synthetic solutions, herbs offer a gentle yet effective relief and can be incorporated into your daily self care routine. If you know my story by now, I love herbs because it's what helped my mom get off of her diabetic medications. We went the natural route. We didn't use Western medications. And now my mom is able to live a much happier, healthier lifestyle. And for me, I've been using herbs to constantly cleanse my system, help me with sleeping better, help me with pain, help me with the fogginess, my anxiety, and of course, burnout. It's such a simple remedy that our ancestors used constantly, going outside to the woods or their backyards and picking things from nature. I always say nature provides us with everything that we need, and it's free. Once you know how to use it, if you're into foraging, then that's an even better skill. That's something I actually want to be able to get into. But the herbalist inside of me, I usually purchase my herbs from a natural herbalist store, or I'll find something online and I will have herbs ordered and sent to my house, and then I will make different concoctions depending on what I need. Even for PMS ladies, herbs are amazing. You can have a simple cup of chamomile tea, Damiana, and you can see how your cramps will be alleviated. But let's get into the main topic of today with burnout and herbs. Today we are going to start with passion flower. Passion flower is known for its calming properties. It helps with reducing anxiety and promote a sense of relaxation. This herb can be especially helpful if burnout is causing you to feel restless or if you struggle with sleep. A cup of passion flower tea before bed or a few drops of a tincture can ease your mind and help you unwind. So, herbs are very versatile. You can use it as a slab, you can use it as a tincture, which is usually an alcoholic base to the herb. Or if you're someone like me, you may not drink as much, you might use vegetable glycerin mixed with the herb, and it's something that I usually let sit for a couple of months. And then you're able to extract the herb's properties that way. If you're like, oh, I hate tea, well, this is a great way to take it too. You take a couple of drops underneath your tongue. Like I said, you can make the slabs with it. Obviously, you can make loose leaf tea too if you want. And there's probably going to be another episode where I even get into how we can use these herbs in your hair and making your own oils as well for your skincare routine. But a tip that you can try with the passion flower is combining passion flower with a meditation or a journaling practice to create a routine that signals to your body and mind that it's time to let go of the day's stress. So this might be more supportive to you at the end of the day to let all the feelings go. Because with burnout, when we keep a lot of things inside of our head, that's when everything comes crashing down and we don't have a form of releasing it. So the passion flower, it allows you to open up, get you to relax a little bit, and then when you journal all the things that happen in the day, that's a great way for your body to be like, okay, we're winding down and it's time to relax. Next is lemon balm. Lemon balm is actually a part of the mint family. It's mild, a little bit of a lemony scent and flavor. It's often used as a stress reliever and mood lifter. This herb has been shown to reduce anxiety, promote better sleep, improve cognitive function, all essential for those who are experiencing burnout and struggling to focus. I actually like adding this herb to my tea blend for my menstrual cycle because of that calming property and reducing stress. And we know that that time of the month can be very stressful. So the best way to incorporate lemon balm really for me is making it as a tea. You can find a supplement form if you want, but I think taking tea is the best. It can also help you with recharging a little bit if without the jittery effects of caffeine. And last but not least, because again, today I just want to keep it short and give you three herbs, but there are plenty more. We have lavender, which is my ultimate favorite herb. It smells amazing. It signifies and symbolizes relaxation from the color, the purple to the smell. It's like being in a field of goodness. It has such powerful calming properties, and it's often used in aromatherapy for stress relief. If you've ever smelled lavender essential oil, you know what I'm talking about. It is heavenly. It's able to soothe the mind and the body and makes it excellent ally in your fight against burnout. While you can take lavender as an herbal tea or supplement or essential oil, it's so versatile and you will always feel like it takes away your problems. It's just so mind-blowing how our senses are so important. Just one whiff of the tea or the essential oil can really help uplift your mood, but it's also great for helping you go to sleep, for your stress. So it's like, why not have something that tastes good, smells good? It's hitting those two senses. I love to hold my cup of tea. This is just a mindfulness practice that I use for burnout. I hold the cup of tea. I feel how warm it is. So, right, I'm activating my physical touch. Then I lean in and I smell the aroma of the lavender. And now I'm getting my senses. My sense of smell is going. I have the touch activated. And then I slowly take a sip of the lavender tea for my taste. And it hits every time, y'all. I'm telling you, it's just a space of gratitude. It's a space to help my body know, like, okay, we're relaxing. We are focusing on us. This is our self care time to really be present in this moment of having this cup of tea that is here to help us breathe in this beautiful, soothing scent. Help me reset and find this peace in my busy day, in my stress, in my anxiety. And sometimes that's what it's all about. We can't be worried about, oh, let me overcome burnout for the next couple of months. All we have is this moment. All we have is right now, right here. So be present with that. Find peace in your day. And these herbs are here to support you with that. So, how do you start incorporating these herbs into your daily life? It's just important to remember that consistency is key. You add it into your daily routines. For me, I love having a cup of tea when I wake up. It's my favorite thing to do right after I have my lemon water or key lime water. Throughout the day, I may have these tinctures. I definitely use them as essential oils. Lavender stays on me. It's that girl for me. You can tell. Like that's my fave. But the others are so important too, and they make a significant difference over time. This isn't, immediate gratification, although lavender does that for me. But lemon balm is something that it's subtle and it takes time. And it's like, your plants. You put down the seeds, you keep watering it, and over time, when you see that first seedling, you're excited. And then it starts to continue to grow. And you see it get taller and taller, and now the leaves are coming out. You're bearing your fruit, and it's an amazing feeling to see. But yet, when it comes to burnout and the things in our life, we want it now. We're like, oh, I got to get rid of this stress today. But how long did it take you to accumulate all this stress? Give yourself the grace and the time to incorporate these natural remedies to help you. It took you a while to build up your burnout. It's going to take a while to get over it as well. So start simple. Make a habit of drinking a cup of passion flower tea, lemon balm, or lavender before your bedtime to help you with sleeping. If you're feeling stressed, try brewing a cup and then also make it a part of your mindful moments. These small practices, when combined with self care and mindfulness, can help build resilience against burnout and make you feel more grounded and in tune with yourself. And that's really what we are striving for you to be more in tune for you to reclaim your health, fall back in love with yourself, feel empowered with the tools, but it's also your experiences. I would encourage you to jot down, journal how each herb makes you feel. For me, I get excited with lavender, but maybe your favorite is going to be passion flower. And I want to hear about it. I want to hear, after these next couple of months of you incorporating, and you can try one herb. You don't have to try all these at one time and see how you feel. How's your mood stability? Do you feel happier? Do you feel more calm? Does your nervous system feel safe? Because that's what we're striving for, right? That's what we want. We want to feel good inside. Because when we feel good on the inside, then we can show up better to our job. We can show up better to our relationships. We can show up better for ourselves. And that's really the goal. So I hope that this episode was helpful. It got you thinking, and maybe you're ready to try something new. If you aren't already, please subscribe to this podcast if you're enjoying it. I want to hear your comments. I always love reading. And don't be afraid to reach out. In the show notes, you can always see my information. And until the next time, family, stay safe, stay mindful, and love on yourself.